Login loop error on GetPaid Fix. If you're stuck in a frustrating login loop on GetPaid where you enter your details and it just keeps sending you back to the login page, you're not alone. The surprising truth is that this issue usually isn't caused by your account being locked or the site being down. It's almost always a simple local glitch with cached data, browser sessions for security settings. Here's how to fix it fast. Start by completely closing the GetPaid app or browser tab. Then, reopen it and try again. If that doesn't work, clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, select GetPaid and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets the temporary data that might be causing the problem. If you're logging in through a browser, clearing your cookies and cache is essential. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear all save cookies related to GetPaid. Old cookies often hold outdated session information that keeps sending you back to the login screen. Next, make sure your app or browser is updated. Outdated versions often fail to connect properly with GetPaid's authentication servers. Visit the App Store or Google Play to check for updates. Still looping? Try changing your internet connection. Some Wi-Fi networks block secure redirects used during login. Switch to mobile data or try a different network. If you use a password manager, turn it off temporarily and manually type your credentials. Autofill tools sometimes insert invisible characters or outdated passwords that break the login process. After these steps, restart your phone or computer and try again. In most cases, the login loop disappears instantly. So, if your GetPaid account keeps looping, remember it's not your account or GetPaid servers. It's just your device hanging on to outdated data. Clear it, refresh, and you'll be back to managing your payments smoothly in no time.